Grok AI is no longer free. I understand the pains. I understand how amazing Grok has been over the years. Grok is one of the best image and video generating AI. Yes. I'll beat my chest and say yes to it. If you're into Faceless Channel or you animate videos for your clients or for your social media platforms, you will know that Grok has no rivals. And the price of Grok is around $30 to $40 a month. This is application we have been using absolutely free, and they deliver amazing job, consistent character, amazing flow all along. And right now, Grok just removed that free version, and we have to pay $30 to $40 before we can access Grok AI. I know how painful it is, but right in this video, I am here to put a smile on your face. Yes, take a chill pill. I will explain how to put the smile on your face. Think of $30 to $40 and you have another option with $3 or less. Yes, you are getting the same Grok AI, and you can as well make money from posting from this platform, which I'm about to share with you right now. Good. Grok AI is same company that owns X, which is Elon Musk X AI. And from X AI, you can have access to full premium Grok AI. On this video, I'll be putting you through step by step on how you can achieve this. Don't scream, but share with people that you can get Grok AI with less than $3. Full access, full everything, amazing videos, amazing image out there. I will be putting you through step by step on how you can achieve this from using your X application, which is formerly known as Twitter. So on this video, let's get straight into it. If you are new here, I am Anthony. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. What you do is you get to the black application that has white X on it. Click it open. You go to your profile. You will see profile, premium, video, community, bookmarks, lists, space, and all that. But where we are heading to is premium. Click on the premium. It will bring this amazing interface where you will see the prices of the subscriptions. The first is basic. Basic has enhanced experience, bookmark folders, download videos. There is no Grok over here. So we'll head to premium. Premium is where the magic starts from. You see verified check mark. That is where you verify your X application. We'll come over this on our next video. Enhanced Grok access, which is what we are looking for. Advanced analytics, less ads in your feeds, boosts replies, and so on. Over here on the Premium Plus, you will see this fully ad free Grok, Super Grok, handle marketplace, and all that. So you will see a lot of things that you can achieve from the Premium Plus. But on this premium is basically $7 as at the time I am making this video for a month. Okay. Yes. But getting the premium on the main application, it gives you on the website, gives you $40, $30 to $40 per month. So when you subscribe through here, you are getting far less the price. Okay. If you get the paid version, this is how it looks like, because I've paid on this account. You see that you will have a blue tick under the name and profile. This is what it looks like. When you click on the premium, this is what you will see. This is Grok Creator Studios, Analytics, offline videos, bookmark folders. So when you click on the Grok, this is what you get. So the imagine, everything is here. Create image, edit image, try voice. This is all you get. Open Grok application. If you want to open it on the application, you want to work on the application. Remember, this one I access it from the Twitter X application. So you can edit anything you want to edit. You can attach any folder, author, speak, create image, edit image, try voice mode. So literally, this is the affordable way you can get Grok using X application. It is way, way, way cheaper. If you ask me my opinion, I will tell you to pay for Grok AI and give your audience the best quality content, okay? On Grok AI, you can edit video, super realistic videos, consistent characters. You will do whatever you want to achieve, okay? Let me just play around with this. Generates me a young Gen Z guy with a lady buying pizza from a food truck in Nigeria. Name of the food truck is G to G Pizza. We're generating image right now, so let's see how fast this will work out and how super realistic it will be. It's giving us two options of the image generation. So we are to generate, okay, this is the first image. If this works with you, cool. A young Gen Z with a lady. The name of the food truck is G2G Pizza. This is the second one, African vibe. You see the lady is putting on African clothes and you can see the food truck on the streets in Nigeria. So either this or this, anyone that works for you, you can walk around it, okay? You can say, make it pizza pixel characters. We are now playing around with prompts so that you work with what suits you, what works with your preference, okay? Within seconds, you have your job done. Yes, I always like to refer to a G2G Pizza because I own a food truck with G2G Pizza. You see, it maintains the character, the African vibe character. Now change it to pixel characters. You see, it is the same thing. The young guy here, the same look, the same everything. The girl is pressing phone, putting on African print. The same over here, it gives you the same vibe. So if Grok charges a huge sum of amount, I understand most people don't have the money, but it's worth it. Grok gives you the best you can think of, the best clean image. If someone tells you that this is AI generated, you will doubt it. You think this is just image that someone snapped with his or her phone. So let me know on the comment section if you will be trying out this payment plan or you want me to generate more videos for you. And don't forget to let me know the next tutorials you will want me to work on. And don't forget, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content on how you can use AI to make your life better, earn money from AI, and all that. Now I have paid version of Grok AI. Expect amazing content from this channel, okay? It's all tutorial, non-stop tutorials. And whenever you log in from the X, you can easily log in from your laptop, and don't use website to log in or email to log in. Use X because you paid via X application. All right. See you guys on my next video. Cheers.